stupid fucker never takes my goddamn letters, bro. Take it, you
He's just like
fucker.
Canadian Postal Service.
Good job, Star.
I did not know that.
That was my fault, Waluigi. No, not that one. That one.
Alright, now it's time for me to get a star. Woo!
Land on the speed trap,
Let's
you
go.
piece of shit.
Let's go.
Oh.
Sorry. Yo, thank you,
Right.
Toadette.
Oh,
Even though
Christ,
I'm
this
gonna
is
be
a-
giving this away in a second.
This is a power turn.
Yes.
Change plans, Dad, and I don't feel like
Okay.
Yo,
Oops.
another family cameo?
Every time, bro. Every
Two
Let's
and
episode.
one.
go. Another cameo.
Ooh, is that by anyone? I think Star's closest.
Probably.
Oh yeah, someone was down there. Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, Star's right there.
Think about this, AV.
Remember when Star
Think-
said that he wasn't gonna win?
Think about who you're stealing from, AV.
Well, the thing is, if I steal from Star, you're probably still gonna steal from me.
Oh,
So we might as well just trade coins.
shite.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man. It was worth a shot with the curse. He did roll a 2.
True. You just had poopy rules yourself.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
It's too bad you can't
Item
go
time,
down
baby.
left.
Yeah.
I click random and it steals from Luke.
Bro.
Oh, did you get a juicy item?
Just a
Ooh.
triple dice or a skeleton key. That is not a choose your own warp block. That's just a warp block.
Oh, okay. I can even tell the difference.
The arrows are golden.
And I think it's like super sparkly.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I've only seen the super once and it's extremely powerful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Star,
Both of
you
you-
better roll high. I'm about to use my triple Dexter to fucking make the countdown 0.
That's so mean.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh no! I have to do it now, dude.
Oh my god. Okay,
Oh.
I'm stealing from AV.
Wait,
then.
you didn't even go to the star. Never mind. I'm gonna fucking go for the star.
I'm stealing from you then, AV, if Star's turning away.
Oh my
Your skeleton
god.
key.
Hang on, I need to look because I have a custom, so pardon the
Oh, you do.
long look.
Da-ba-da-ba.
God, the arrows are going the wrong way.
Nice. I can't
There
see
we
what you're
go.
looking at, but I'm glad to hear that.
I'm having problems. Alright. Custom, baby.
Let's see what the move is here.
We're playing Mario Kart, doing laps.
Mmm.
Movement.
Interesting.
I like the number 10. I wish I rolled it.
Wham. Tough choice. No, it's not.
Yes, sir. Give me that star back, AV. The star turned away from
Dude, there's been
that
so
one.
much stealing, I don't even remember who owes who.
I know.
Kinda got out of hand, dude. I'm gonna fucking
Do the
jump.
chicken dance.
Big thing, I'm gonna do that.
There you go. Phew.
Yeah, it's no second.
It was a very costly recovery. And we have just enough.
Oh gosh.
Waluigi has the triple shits. I'm gonna go shopping instead.
I don't have enough coins though, so.
Mm. Even so. Even so, I. I did that 1000% on purpose. There it is. That's what I was.
Oh shit.
People are gonna buy pipes and culls.
Not me, because I never have enough fucking money, dude. I haven't won anything this game.
It's a game time. Gah! Pushy penguins?
Nope.
Oh.
Never.
It's a new one!
Oh
Yeah,
my
it is.
god.
This one sucks, by the way.
I hate this one.
Wait, isn't the time frame really bad?
Yeah, there's a lot of delay when you...
Okay.
Yeah. Red light, green light, let's do it. I see Stars practicing for the event. He just dug down for 10 years. This one's scary. Just because you do it in the practice doesn't mean the real deal will be the same.
Exactly.
And now he's gonna lose in the fucking real thing. Because he won the practice. That's how it goes. You guys didn't know that?
Yes, sir.
I'm probably not gonna win this.
I thought I was gonna go 4 times.
Ooh, Waluigi, you're crazy.
Excuse me.
That's stupid.
Are you serious?
Bro. He was
You have
asleep
30
for like
seconds,
fucking 2
Brando.
seconds. Fucking insomniac,
Brandon,
man.
if you have 30 seconds, if you lose, I'll be upset.
Oh no!
Okay,
The
that's fine.
timing is so bad.
It
It
is.
is.
It takes you like 10 seconds to go down after you stop moving.
That's what I'm saying. Well, I didn't say it, but I felt it.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's right, everyone. Just look at the camera. That game smells funny.
Fuck, man. I needed
You
that
let
cash.
go. You let go, and your character's still above the freaking lid.
Cool.
The lid.
Oh, you
Oh,
made
well.
it.
Or
Okay.
did he?
I don't have that
Wait,
much money
please roll
anymore.
higher than a 1. Okay. Wait.
Oh.
He said, "Watch this 3." No. Why did you manifest it?
I'm in the mood for a Bowser mini
Oh!
game, honestly.
Oh.
Hey. Uh-oh.
Well, I mean, Avi has no reason to be afraid.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm gonna lose my coins anyways if this round
Can
ends.
it be pit boss? Alright.
Why I hate this one. It's so boring.
This one is boring.
Facelift. It's a me, Bowser. Rah! Let's do it. He looks like me when I say anything. And I'm like waiting for the reaction.
That's probably good enough. Whatever.
Okay.
Yours has a really big mouth, baby. Sheesh! Nobody loses money. Waste of time. Woo! Nice try, Bow Wow.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
We would have all lost coins to this pit boss.
Yeah, Pit Boss, we got Shrek.
You're that sparkling that you're not gonna.
Oh my god, I rolled a 2 there last time.
I hope when
Yikes.
Luke grabs this star, it manifests right on top of you. Why sound like a
Same
cat,
here.
dude?
And like this one too.
Yeah, that one especially.
Okay, so what are the odds of me rolling a 2?
I've been rolling a
20%
lot
in
of
theory,
2s.
right?
I've been rolling a lot of 2s. In theory, I'm not gonna say anything.
Whatever, let's do it. I'm in 4th place anyways.
Fuck it.
Sorry.
Toadette, like, oh my god.
Okay, good.
Nice.
Hey. If I could actually move across this board, I'd have more stars, dude.
Yeah, well, you can't have it all.
I know, I only keep winning minigames.
I think I've won like fucking 4 minigames max, dude. Oh
Ooh,
god.
that's far. That is far. You gotta go around the whole thing. Because the middle... you can't take any shortcuts at the middle down there.
Bowser.
You can go up. Unless you want to go buy another fucking pipe.
$7. Farewell.
Mega laser.
Goodbye, my 7 coins.
100%. That sniff it was like tilted to the side down there. I think Star was right and he actually is dead.
I wouldn't be surprised.
He's actually gone. Oh god.
Ooh.
And now he has enough money. Ooh, who are you gonna steal from, Luke?
You.
Oh, please. I'm in last.
Let's go, brothers. Win me a mini game.
Yeah.
Oh my
We
god,
promised.
dude.
Furry time!
Come on, man. Have I even been the one? I think I have once.
I managed to squish you guys once. And you guys squished me.
No, what's that?
But, yeah, you don't want to start in the fucking middle, dude.
Oh god, Waluigi, look out!
No!
Like, you can't turn!
Yeah.
You got this. Oh.
Dude, like I just get comboed.
Go, Daisy, go.
You
You
can't
read it.
turn in time.
Yeah.
Oh,
you had
with
it
more
too.
time I had it, bro.
You
Damn.
had it.
Dude, how many games sucks dick, bro?
We play. That's our. I hate that that's our most played game.
You said that's Mario Party 3 too?
It is.
All the 1v3 Mario Party 3 suck ass.
You don't like hide and sneak?
Fuck no.
Nope.
Ow, my elbow. That's what I get.
Our table.
Where? What's gonna be the thing we laugh at next time, Luke? Because we laugh at a lot of stupid stuff.
I don't know.
Why did they want me to go right, dude? There's nothing to the right.
They're like, hey, land. You want to get a skeleton key?
Ooh, someone's gonna buy a pipe.
I wish
Unless
that was. God, I wish that was me.
someone might not be buying the pipe because you can steal a star.
Oh, baby.
Tough choice.
Triple shits.
That's a good idea.
I think it's a good move. Maintain the lead with a steal. Oh god. Yeah, you can use the triple shits to not land on the speed
Sorry,
trap.
you better win the next minigame.
Oh, you're right. Thank you.
Oh wow, he's out of there.
Never seen one of those before.
I wonder what he's gonna buy.
Good question.
Technically, you get 2 stars instead of just saving to steal 1.
Oh, Star, I'm sorry. Oh no.
Oh wow.
We're going far.
No!
Oh my god, all of
Oh
us.
my god, dude.
The friend train.
I was about to get that star by stealing some fucking coins.
Wow, I'm in the front.
The front of the human centipede.
Oh no.
Better than me the front of the back.
That's
Jeez.
true. Very true.
Bruh.
Brandon's at the back.
I didn't realize it occurs you in real life too. I'm sorry.
No, I was coughing for the thing.
My always one that fucking gets pushed and screams.
Yeah, everyone keeps pushing Waluigi, huh? Star, do not target me though. I'm in last.
Dang it, dude.
Luke,
Actually,
Luke is on the come up now that he could keep buying pipes.
technically, I'm in last.
True.
I can roll 2 2s.
Yo.
But I can roll
Hey-
a 1 and a 2
hey, yo.
and do the right one back again.
Someone landed. I love how it's after Star mashed through to buy the trap. Roll
Okay.
call, not new. You guys like counting again? I was the only one that messed up last time.
Final Fantasy 14, of course I love counting.
Did we do bombs last time?
I don't remember. I think so.
Yeah.
Start.
21.
Hmm.
Oh
I'm sticking
gosh,
with it.
I'm sticking with mine too. This was harder
see
because
it.
it turned invisible.
I counted it like 4 times.
I recounted, but I still wasn't sure.
Yeah, I recounted a bunch as well.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh!
Let's go.
The rose.
Perfect catch, dude.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah,
No
you just
star.
needed to not get last.
Dang it. Triple shits?
Real.
I mean, I don't really need to, because you guys are gonna just fucking pipe after pipe after pipe.
Oh no. It could spawn there.
Wait, you can spawn on top of me?
Yeah, you see the
Please
star
do
panel
not.
next to the
Yeah, I see
like
it.
hanging
No.
off the side. That's where Turdet can land.
Please, Toadette, do not. I know you want to say hi to me, but oh my god, stop.
That sucks.
That curse is not enough. I use hacks.
That's like when you're getting like fooled and people start laughing. It sucks when Peach's birthday cake was the worst.
Yo, Star, let's team up.
You just don't want to
2v2.
fucking steal your shit, dude.
No, Star, it's okay. We're gonna team up. We're gonna win this 2v2. It's okay. Where did she come from? Where did she go?
So
Okay.
that Joe.
Up top.
Who's Joe, Luke?
Good question.
Hello? I'm all the way back at start now.
You don't really have that much cash anymore. You've used it all.
Triple licked, booze, pipes.
You've expended it all.
That's okay, because the rich bonus is not coin total.
True.
Oh, nice.
Perfect. Wow.
Hey!
Hello. Goodbye.
Oh, really? Yeah, we've barely seen the bank much, huh? Oh,
Oh my god,
I think-
dude. Another one.
it is Star. Oh my god. Where did she come from? Toadette, Joe.
No, please. Okay.
Excellent.
That's like the farthest it could get from me, dude.
I say as Luke literally has a pipe.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
You. I could just. I'm gonna wait and roll another 2. And get that thing space, and then...
Never mind.
The game said no.
Please.
Never
Oh,
mind.
no. I don't know why I said that when I was.
Dude.
Oh, psychology.
Bro. Last time we all lost at the same time.
Fuck, man. I'm
Triple-
always the.
triple-
keep being the one.
Maybe if I do a dance, I'll win.
I'm not listening to the music.
I did a full neck stretch there.
See, this is how these minigames should be, dude. Give a bunch of fucking tries.
Yeah, instead of the one and done. Like
Or
the
instead of
football
just
one.
fucking 3. Alright, well, I lost. No matter what now.
Don't say that. Okay,
I keep forgetting that
right.
letting go does not make it go back to the center, and I have to actually manually go back to the center.
Dang.
Oh.
We're all just like, ah. So you cannot get scared of losing your money for the 47th time star. Are you gonna buy a street trap? The speed trap?
I'm not going anywhere, dude.
You've been stuck on that side of the map, AV, for like years.
I
I
know.
mean, it's a good side of the map to be stuck on, but
Yeah, not when I'm
Yeah.
fucking broke.
Yeah.
true.
Well. Bowser Jr.'s like, I've been unlocked. Finally.
Can't wait. More DLC.
Sheesh!
It's a big one.
Someone star is getting stolen.
Getting a pipe or stealing?
He's probably gonna steal a star from me.
Might as well.
He's got the keys he can use. Lots of
Buy another
decisions.
star.
That guy is at 5 stars right now.
Yeah, this is tough. Hmm.
Well, you're in first, so you're probably not gonna get a very good roll from the lucky space.
You should buy a speed trap.
Are you sure? I think you land right on Boo.
Yeah, you land right on it.
Oh, I see what you mean, Starian.
I worked so hard for this star. You don't understand.
I can't even see what place Luke is in because of my fucking contrast, bro.
He's in second
Second
with a
place.
pipe.
I literally cannot
Yeah,
see
it-
that fucking second
wouldn't make-
that white second.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah.
if star didn't steal from me, it really wouldn't make any sense. Because I do have the advanced star as well.
I keep seeing happen and out of.
It'll
my
all
brain being
forever and
wired.
always be
Yeah.
happening, sir.
You got a star.
The devious lick. Okay. Well,
I
that's
do
good.
think Brando has the other 2 bonus stars, though, probably.
No, I think I have a minigame.
How many have you won?
Yeah, you
Wait,
need
that was a
Five.
joke, right?
You're like you're two
I was
wins.
like, I swear you didn't win that many.
I've won like 5 minigames total.
See, the team ones count too, so that helps me when you guys carry. Yeah, Peach has been very event heavy. Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, I have to win this one now.
Fishy penguin.
Parasol plummet. Oh, oops.
Catch you
Power
later.
jump.
No, I
Better.
hate this one, dude. This stupid fucker never takes my goddamn letters, bro. Take it, you
He's just like
fucker.
Canadian Postal Service.
I pressed start, I'm sorry.
Catch you later. As a kid, I never understood the pun. I just thought it was catch you later just because.
Damn, you were a smart kid.
Yeah, top of my class.
Oh, dude, give me your
Let's go. Any percent speed run. Ah, Peach.
Dude, Peach just fucking body blocked me.
Bro, I literally work at a postage company or
I think I cared.
logistics.
Yes.
Dang
Grab the
it,
love letter at the
dude.
end. Yes.
You got the fucking lucky one for threes. Did you
He
get
was
both
right
threes?
next to me when I got the love letter.
Did you get both of them or
Sad.
only one?
I
No,
got
the
one.
first one. Otherwise, I
Oh.
wouldn't have done as
Oh
good.
wow, so I'm the only one that didn't. Well, I have Star, obviously.
Well, starting it, but even.
Yeah, but Star was like, hey, I only have 4.